Okay, now we're going to talk a little bit more about these gap sets. As you'll see, they're numbered. 1 and 3 are here. Number 2 is up here. If you're just doing a letter fold or a Z fold, a basic, whether it's 11/17, 8.5 by 11, a standard letter fold, for example, then you take the sheet, you just tear a little piece of paper of the actual sheet. I'm assuming you may know this already, but this is a refresher. You go ahead and take just one pass of that sheet, so one thickness of that sheet. These push down and you slide it underneath, as you can see where it's right under there. Just one thickness, okay? Over here we'll put 2 thicknesses because it's number 2, and down here number 3 thicknesses of that actual stock that you're folding, and that'll set the gaps at the right distance. Really the most critical one here would probably be the number 3, just because if you don't put something under there, you'll actually hear that roller rubbing a little bit, the knurled part, on the fold plate down there. But again, you can play with this. It's in the book as well. If you're doing a half fold, I believe number 1 just gets 1 sheet, and then number 2 and 3 get 2 thicknesses. Again, this is in the book in about 40 different languages. Look for the English. And enough on that. Okay, now as far as removing the feed board, I'm going to go ahead, and this cover just pulls right off. It's got these little guys right here that just clip on. It comes right off. And then you can see the side of the machine right here. Now, if you look, you'll see this knob right here is just a screw, and it screws right into the side on this side of the feed board, and you'll see there's another one on this side. So if we pull this one off as well, you'll see here's the knob that controls that, and again here's your fold plate tensioners as well to tighten your fold plate in when you get your fold plates in. But again, so that's him right there. We just unscrew that, and that will release this feed table. This feed table is sitting on some legs that sit on the stand. The other thing that we will have to disconnect is on this end. You will see this belt. You see this belt right here, and you'll see it goes right, it actually controls the movement of the feed table. So that belt will just get slid right off. We can just slide it off there right now, and then when we take these 2 screws out on either side, this whole assembly will just slide out. So that's